Sick of typing through long chats on Messenger? You can easily send a voice message instead. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to send voice recordings on your Messenger app for Android. Let's dive right in. First, open your Messenger. Get into the chat you want to send a voice message to. Now, in the message input area, you'll see a microphone icon. Press and hold the microphone icon to start recording your message. Speak clearly into your phone's microphone. When you finish recording, release the microphone icon. The voice message will automatically send to the chat. Now, as an extra tip, if you decide not to send the message, slide your finger to the side right before releasing the icon. This will cancel the recording. Now you know how to send voice message from your Messenger app. If this video made your messaging experience easier, don't forget to like it. Subscribe for more tips like this. I hope to see you in the next one.